Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you that how we can do this type of image scrolling animation in Figma that you can see in here. Whenever someone just going to scroll it, they will get to see something like this, as you can see, this type of animation. And when someone just going to hover it, they're going to get to see like this type of thing. So everything is changeable in here. So you just know about the process that how to do, and later, if you want to do customization and if you want to do anything else, then you can do it by yourself. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm just going to start it from here, and I'm just going to extract it. It's something like doing ungroup in here. So I do ungroup, and now as you can see, we get a desktop one, and also get to see a few of the component there. So what you can do, we can simply like check it out, the component that how we just build. As you can see, it's a very simple, nothing else, nothing extra in there. Okay, so now we need to select this, both of this, the first one, and we need to make them as a component set. So as you can see, I do component set here, and go to the next one, and we need to same the same process, like just make them component set. All right, so now I just make all of them component set, and now we need to do the animation. So let's go to the prototype, and let's simply link it to the next one. Just simply link it, and let's change it to on click to while hovering, and it's going to be instant. Yep, and go to the next one, and we need to follow the same thing. Need to, let's say, while hovering, and it's need to be instant. So now in the prototype is almost done, and now we need to copy everything from here, like that from the first one. So I'm going to copy the first one, second one, and let's say the third one, and simply select all of them, like 3 of them, that we just make alternative, just copy it, and then simply shift A, and let's say 20 pixel of this. And now this is the frame 8, and simply control X and go to the main frame and simply paste it, make it center and make it top, and let's say now we need to make them a little bit in bottom in here, as you can see. And now we need to do a little bit of work. So let's simply select it, and let's go here. Let's say just simply resize it and resize the fixed width. It's going to be now fixed width. It was before in Hug, but now it's changed it to fixed width, as you can see in here. Because if you're not doing it, then you get a little bit error, and the scrolling effect not going to work. So if you not make it fixed. Okay, so now we need to go here and just need to copy. Go to desktop and simply paste it, and simply make the placement. So as you can see now, I think this looks very much well. Control X and simply paste it. Now let's go again here, and again Control V, and let's make the let's do the right side, and let's simply make the placement into something like this. As you can see now, this, and this needs to be changed to something like this. Okay, now this is correct. Okay, so this happened in here. Now let's see the preview, how it's look like. Okay, so now as you can see, it's worked really fine, but we need to do a little bit of work that is in the top of this. So now let's simply go to here, let's check the rectangular, and let's simply take it. Let's say I like to go with 1600, and then how much is the width I like to go with 120, and let's go with this triple F, Control X, and let's take this in the top. Let's simply top of this, and go here on the nav bar, and simply just press your keyboard. It's mainly called third bracket, you know, we say it's called. So just press third bracket right side, third bracket one. So we know this curly bracket have this one and this one. So this is mainly something like keeping something down, and this is something, if you press this one, then it's taking it up. So I'm just going to down it, so that's why I'm going to press this one. So let's take this curly bracket, so now it's down, and if I'm going to press this one, now it's up. All right, so now it is, and now let me make it top in the air, so like this way. Okay, so also I think we can make a little bit bigger like this, and let's say, yeah, make them center. Yeah, okay, so now let's see the preview, how it's look like. Yeah, now it's really looks fine, but not working properly. So we need to do the last thing, that is select here this frame, and let's go to the prototype, and let's go here this overflow into vertical. Let's come back again here, and now if you see that it's really works fine, like we see on previous demo when you're starting a video. So this is the same thing. Okay, so I hope guys you understand now how to make like this type of image scrolling animation in Figma.